Good afternoon. Today, we came to the customer company Girl Group of elevator manufacturer, and we'll show you how we convert 3000 wattage CO2 cutting machine into 2000 wattage fiber laser cutting machine. Let's go! We are now entering into the client's workplace. What we see now is appearance of what the device would look like before it was converted and what parts would need to be removed and replaced, including crossbeam, cutting head, internal sheet metal parts, tank chain, dust-free cover, and so on. What parts will need to be replaced during the conversion? Fiber cutting head on the posts, circuits, and other lines, tank chain, sheet metal parts, dust cover, circuit diagram. Now we are looking at the figure system on the original CO2 device. Our engineer is upgrading the original system's internal subroutine, the internal wiring, to make it compatible with the fiber laser source. We will install the cutting head, the sheet metal parts installation, crash strips installation, install the laser source, install the chiller. As you can see, behind me is the finished 2000 wattage fiber cutting machine, which has been running successfully, and our customer is operating to do some metal sheet cutting work. Hello, Mr. Chang. As an operator of Girl Laser Cutting Department, what big differences you feel after conversion from CO2 cutting machine 3000 wattage into fiber 2000 wattage of Shanghai Unity Prima?
Firstly, save costs, labor cost and electronic consumption, laser source gas consumption, assist gas. Secondly, it is easy to buy laser consumables from laser cutting head. Thirdly, high productivity, 20% to 40% higher.
Thank you. Hello guys, I invite our engineer, Mr. Yan, to answer you a few questions. Hello, Mr. Yan. I have 5 questions for you. Number 1, what is a conversion machine brand?
Shanghai Unity Prima 3000 watt.
Question 2, what details does the customer need to offer before conversion?
3 parts. First one is label of the machine, and second one is circuit diagram. The third one is laser control cabinet.
Question 3, how long it will take to finish the program?
Around 1 week.
Question 4, what main parts of conversion need to be replaced?
Chiller, fiber cutting head, and laser source.
Last but not least, the most important question, number 5. What is the most difficult part in this conversion?
The internal procedures and sheet metal parts need to be redesigned, and the cutting process, programming, subroutines, and lines must be changed.
Thank you for your cooperation, Mr. Yan. And if you have any more questions, please contact us or visit our website. Thank you.